Hello and welcome. My name is Jeanette Stevens Cunningham, and I am the Director of Marketing and Content Service Delivery for Gen Edge. And I would like to show you our latest tool. It's called Ask the Expert, and I'm going to really quickly show you how you can access it as well as engage with it. So if you're on the Gen Edge homepage, there are two really fast ways that you can access the Ask the Expert page. The first is by clicking on the Small Manufacturers tab, or you can click on the Alliance Home link if you've already signed into your Gen Edge Alliance member account. I'm going to click on the Small Manufacturers link, and that's going to take us to the Alliance homepage. If you scroll down a little bit, the first thing you'll see is log into your account if you need to log into your Gen Edge Alliance account, or you can create a brand new account from this page as well. Creating an account is free and it's easy. It takes about 3 minutes to do it. Why that's important is in order to engage with the Ask the Expert tool, you have to be logged into your Gen Edge Alliance account. And what I mean is, if you'd like to submit a question or provide feedback, you have to be logged into your Gen Edge Alliance member account. Now, if you scroll down the page a little bit to the icons, the third icon in is the Ask the Expert Exchange page. You want to click on the Ask the Expert a Question link to get to the page, to get to the Ask the Expert homepage. If you scroll down a little bit further to the cards, then if you click on this first one, introducing Ask the Expert, and click on the Get Your Questions Answered button, you'll be taken directly to the Ask the Expert page. I just want to bring your attention to these three slots here. The first one is Search Questions. If you have submitted a question and you'd like to see if that question was answered, then this would be the place where you would put that in the query. The second would be filter by service area. So if you have a specific service area where you would like to see questions that have been answered or submit a question to a specific subject matter expert, then this is where you would go. Finally, you can filter by author. If you click in that box, it will automatically show you all of the internal experts that have submitted responses to questions or have posted responses to questions via video. But if you just scroll down the page, you will see all of the most recent questions, as well as have the opportunity to go directly to that particular answer. Before I click on the Watch the Answer button, however, I did want to call your attention to View All Authors. So this is just another way or place where you can see all of our internal experts, and you'd be able to see their card, which showcases their name, what they do for Gen Edge, and the categories where they have subject matter expertise. And you can click on any one of them to go to their specific Ask the Expert page. Now, if you do click on a card and you do go to a specific expert page, you'll kind of see some of the same information. You'll get their name, you'll see what they do for Gen Edge, but you also get a list of their capabilities, which will give you an idea of what they have expertise in. And underneath that, you can see some of the questions that they have already answered. And these questions are coming in from our manufacturing community. And there's also a space for you to be able to ask your own questions. So if you're looking at some of the past questions that they've already answered and you just want to really quickly access what their answers were, click on the radio button and it will expand and show you the video response to the question that was asked of them. If you are already signed into your Gen Edge Alliance member account, you do have the opportunity to ask your own question. So what you do is you ask your question in this box, or you pose it in the box and then click submit. Once you click submit, your question will then go to the expert who will answer your question for you. So I'm going to go back to the Ask the Expert page again. and just show you how you can go directly to a particular question. So what are the benefits of supplier diversification? You want to know how Maz answered that question. Just click on watch answer, and that'll take you directly to her answer without having to do a lot of the sorting. What's really nice is that at the bottom of this page, before even going to the ask a question section, you do have the ability, as long as you're signed into your Gen Edge Alliance member account, to provide feedback. So you would submit whatever the feedback is in this box, and you would click on post comment. This is important because it helps us to be able to make this page the best that we can for you. So any feedback that you have or any additional questions that you have, you can pose them here in the join the conversation box. Conversely, over to the right, you can click on ask a question, and that'll take you back to the place that we looked at previously, where you can type in the question that you have for the expert and then click submit. So we talked really briefly about the other place that you can access the Ask the Expert page, and that other place is the Alliance home link. So if you click on the Alliance home link, that will take you to your Gen Edge Alliance member page, or the member portal page. You'll know that you're in the right place because you'll be welcomed by your specific name, and then there'll be a little red box in the corner that says member. So that just lets you know that you're in your Gen Edge Alliance member portal. The other thing to know is, in this black box, the membership services area, the second choice is introducing Ask the Experts. When you click on that link, it takes you back to the Ask the Expert homepage, where you will have the opportunity to engage with the experts and ask questions. Of course, if you have any specific questions for us, again, just scroll to join the conversation. You can submit feedback, or you can email us at info@genedge.org, and we will be sure to answer your questions right away. So please go in, take a look at the Ask the Expert tool, engage with it, ask our experts some questions. We are really excited about this and looking forward to being able to continue to serve you in every way that we can. Have a great day. Bye.